Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Navi 360 Diaries. In today's video, I will be sharing 6 latest freshers hiring opportunities for 2026 graduates. Before we begin, if you don't want to miss any latest job updates, internships or off-campus opportunities, make sure that you subscribe to Navi 360 Diaries so that you never miss any opportunity. Let's get into the video. First opportunity is from L&T. They are hiring for the position of GenAI Trainee. It is posted on 30th August 2026 and last date for applying for this position is 9th February 2027. As we can see, there is lot of time to apply, but still don't wait for the last date. Apply as soon as possible. Work location is Powai, Mumbai. Required experience for applying to this position is 0 to 2 years of experience. Coming to the educational qualifications, Bachelor's of Technology, which is BTech, and Master of Technology, which is MTech, graduates are eligible to apply for this position. Now let's talk about required skills to apply for this position. Skills such as Python, machine learning, generative AI, LLMs, RAG, deep learning, computer vision, TensorFlow, OpenCV, and APIs. These are the minimum required skills that you should have to apply for this position. And also you will work on skills like machine learning, GenAI development, LLM applications, computer vision, data analytics, testing and AI solution integration. If you are from CSE background with AML specialization, would be the great opportunity. So don't miss this and apply as soon as possible. Second opportunity is from Zoho. They are hiring for the position of technical support engineers. There are multiple work locations are there like Chennai, Salem, Coimbatore, Tirunelveli and Madurai, but all are Tamil Nadu based locations. Coming to the work, you will work on voice based technical support, troubleshooting, resolving customer issues and coordinating with technical teams. Important thing to note is night shifts are mandatory. This opportunity is best for freshers with good communication and technical problem solving skills. So if you have these skills, you should apply for this position. Don't miss this opportunity. Third opportunity is from Algorithus. They are hiring for the position of software developer intern. Coming to the educational and technical skills, pursuing or recently completed a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, IT, software engineering or any related fields, graduates can apply for this position. And you should have these technical skills to apply for this position, such as strong programming knowledge in JavaScript, Python and React.js, understanding of front-end frameworks such as React, Next.js and back-end frameworks like Django, FastAPI, Flask, and familiarity with HTML, CSS and etc. And basic knowledge about databases like SQL, MySQL, MongoDB, knowledge of REST APIs and API integrations, exposure to Git or GitHub for version control. These are all the mandatory technical skills you should have to apply for this position. Now coming to key responsibilities, which means you will work on these. Front-end development using React.js, back-end development using Python, REST API development and integration. These are the things you will be work on if you are selected for this position. And how to apply for this position, you just need to fill out the form which is given here and submit. Fourth opportunity is from Zensar. They are hiring for data annotation and data labeling work. It is purely work from home opportunity and duration of this opportunity is for 2 months. For each month you will be paid off 50,000, which means for 2 months you will get 1 lakh. It is starting on 1st September 2026. Important notice is that you must have personal laptop as you will be working on your own device. What you need to do to apply for this position is you just need to fill out this form with all relevant details of yours. So if you're eligible and looking for a short-term work from home opportunity in data annotation and data labeling, you can check this opportunity. So don't miss this. Fifth opportunity is from American Express. They are hiring for the position of Apprentice. Location is Gurugram, India. Coming to the eligibility, graduates in engineering, CSE, data science, mathematics, statistics, economics, business analytics, finance and related fields graduates are eligible to apply for this position. Deadline for applying to this position is 18th August, and coming to the duration, it's 12 months apprenticeship program which is hybrid and you will get paid for this apprenticeship. Now getting into the required skills. Required skills to apply for this position are SQL, Python, Excel, Power BI, Tableau, data analytics, data visualization, SDLC, ETL, and machine learning. If you have all these skills and you are a recent graduate, you can apply for this position. So don't miss this opportunity. Final opportunities from Patra Careers. They are hiring for the position of PE trainee. Coming to the eligibility, only graduates or postgraduates can apply for this position. Work mode is work from office. Locations are Vizag, Coimbatore, Warangal, and Raipur. Shifts is night shift. Qualification requirement is ITI or diploma holders are not eligible for this position, and also you need to provide graduation certificate and all semester mark sheets required. The form doesn't mention a fixed contract duration. It is presented as a trainee employment opportunity. If you are okay with office work plus mandatory night shifts and work in one of the 4 listed locations here, you can apply for this position. So don't miss this opportunity. This is all about 6 latest freshers hiring opportunities for 2026 graduates. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends who are looking for jobs. I have provided all application links in the job description. Check it and apply before it's too late. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Navi 360 Diaries. See you in the next video.